Yeah, 6 minutes away now from the objective, and it started to rain, and it was so good. Nothing 1 hour ago, drove 1 hour, now it's raining. Anyway, it is what it is. Not going to lose hope. I don't think it will pass on like this. It's very thick blanket of clouds, but at least maybe it will, I don't know, cool off a little bit so we can get one shot. I don't think I can use any long exposures this time. You just shoot and go, if any. We'll see how it goes. This is this place. This is a fisherman hut, very picturesque. The rain apparently stopped. I have a very brief period of time to shoot. Wellington's boots are on, because otherwise you'll be just going into mud. And yeah, what we not do for a photo. There is a certain hut that has some leading lines to it. This is my goal. I'll probably get it on digital as well. I have the same emulation, obviously the Hector. I think it will work. Oh yeah, definitely Wellington boots needed. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, you wouldn't say it's much, you know. For the moment, it's just a hidden pathway here, a lake, obviously, but it's very, very muddy and swampy. From the road, you don't really see anything. Somebody needs to tell you that those huts exist here. Man, those boots are great. Where they have been all my life. I hope I just need half an hour maximum just to shoot, and then we're gone. I'll be very happy with this goal achieved. Oh yeah, there it is. I hope there are no stray dogs here. Oh, look at that, it's gorgeous. But I don't see, how did those people actually photograph that? I don't know. Let me see what's in here. Yeah, it's beautiful. I don't see any leading lines. Probably there. There's the hut. Obviously it's closed. We are not interested. Okay, so I have to go. I have to jump that side. Okay, I'll do that. Oh wow. There are some recent footsteps here. Wow. That's muddy. Yeah, you wouldn't say it's much, you know, but the camera sees it differently. Yeah, it's definitely working. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a challenge now. It's very windy. It's extremely windy. I hope I don't get swept away in the sea. No, you just have to take one step at a time. It's quite slippery, but it's an adventure. This is the place. Yeah, this is the spot. This is it. And it started to rain. Well, we get the shot now. We're way into deep now. I don't even know if this tripod will do me any good. I think I'm just going to spot meter quickly. I'm at whatever F8. I think I'll just go into spot meter that, yeah, F5.6, put it at F8 maybe. F8, 1/25 of a second, and we'll take the shot. There's no need for any polarizing. I mean, it will be nice, but I don't see this happening. Rule of thirds. The house somehow comes in the middle actually, and it started to rain. Done. Photo taken. And well, this camera is built like a tank. I just wanted I just wanted to vlog from here as well. The weather is not on our side. It's raining now. I got the first shot, at least it's in the back. One shot and it's done. It's done. Unfortunately, I can't use any other artifacts. Let me clear the lens maybe once to see if we can get another shot. I don't think so. I don't know why I might want to do another shot. No, it won't be possible. It's too, well, yeah, that's it. See you guys. Absolutely brutal conditions, but I found, oops, another composition here. As you can see, there is this hut, and I have some leading lines. Let me put myself in hero shot like this, and I have this winding, I would say, stream of water that is going nicely through it. It's not the best angle, but I may go down below the line. It's very windy and it's raining. That's all I can do. The exposure was about 1 second. I used only a polarizer just to give an extra bit of contrast into the scene, and I used my digital camera this time, the Sony A7CII. It's not shot on film. Not everything needs to be shot on film. Probably this was handheld as well, but I prefer to use a tripod with slightly longer exposure. Conditions are brutal, but nevertheless, it's an absolutely amazing area. I would just imagine how that will be on a bright sunny day, but Ireland is like this. I mean, I think this shows more how Ireland is, rather than to take a picture of this scene in a blue sunny day. Anyway, I'm happy. I may just go down the line to, I see there is a boulder there in the river, somewhere around here, a big boulder, so I can make a diagonal with that hut, and I think we'll call it a day. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, as I said, this time I moved closer, and now I have the rule of thirds. I have this type of composition. I'll show it to you through my viewfinder, if I can make it work. Yeah, something like this. So as you can see, I have this big boulder that creates a pleasant diagonal with the fisherman hut. I'm using an ND grad to tame the sky, to get the exposure at 1 second, and a polarizing just to take the glare out of the water. And I think I'm pretty happy with the composition. I'm just going to take another shot for you live. with a 1 second exposure, and yeah, that's exactly what I get. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm happy with that. It's not perfectly balanced, but what is in life? Yeah, what a surprisingly nice location. I'm very happy, and I'm just moving on now. We'll see what else we can find down the road. Beautiful. Yeah, this is the composition I was talking about. A B-roll failed. So let me just get another thing like this. Yeah. Yeah.